everyone, so today we've unboxed the DJI Matrice 350 RTK, a super cool drone packed with features. We'll take a look at what you get inside the box, which is everything that we've laid out here, how the kit is organised and compare it to the older Matrice 300. By the end of this video, you'll know what's new and why this drone is so awesome. Let's get started. So the drone is the same size as the M300, but the inside of the case is way more organised when we've taken it out of the case. The legs are in a new position and there's no need for those foam stops anymore. Just keep the propellers straight before closing the lid. Oh, and the spare propellers, they're stored in plain sight instead of hidden behind a zipper. That's super handy. You'll know exactly where they are when you need them. So now let's talk about the drone itself. The landing gear is the same, but check this out. There's a red alignment mark on the landing legs and the drone. This makes it easier to lock the legs in place, especially if you're new to using it. Also, the drone now has extra transmission antennas, one at the back and underneath the front panel. This helps improve signal strength, which is super important when you're flying far or in tricky environments. So here is the TB65 intelligent flight battery. It looks a lot like the old TB60, but there are a couple of cool upgrades. It has a heat sink for better cooling. The battery indicator lights are on the back now, so it's easier to check the charge level when it's locked in. The case also has spots for the WB37 batteries, as well as room for 2 RC Plus controllers. This is the RC Plus controller, and wow, it's a big upgrade. It has a larger screen and more buttons, which makes flying the drone so much easier. There's even space in the case for a second one, just in case you need it. The kit also comes with some extras: a cleaning set, a Phillips tool and spare screws, shock absorbers for the skyport mount. They've really thought of everything to keep your drone in top shape. Something interesting? The RTK antennas have been redesigned. They're easier to access now, so if you ever need to replace one, you don't have to mess with the motor assembly. That's a nice upgrade. And that's the unboxing of the DJI Matrice 350 RTK. It's compact, organised and packed with cool features like better antennas, smarter battery design and a more user-friendly case. I can't wait to test this in the field, especially with the BS65 battery charging station, but that's for another video. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more awesome drone content. See you next time and happy flying.